So Maria, can you tell me a wee bit more about the research culture in the school as a whole?
Yes, I'll tell you maybe perhaps what we try to do in any case. Would that be okay?
Yes.
Right. The first thing we try to do is we try to do really high quality research. And I suppose the building blocks of this are applying for research funds from internationally recognised funders of research, such as the National Institute of Health Research, the Research Councils of the UK, the World Health Organization, British Heart Foundation, and then taking those successful grants and doing the research and turning it into the best quality publications we can in the best quality journals of nursing and midwifery and cross interdisciplinary journals, and publishing open access where possible as well, so that we can make our research available to all. I think the second principle that we try to adhere to is that we do interdisciplinary research. And I think maybe we succeed in this regard actually, because across all of our corridors here you'll encounter nurses and midwives, but you'll also encounter sociologists, psychologists, health economists, and we very much build our research around these kind of teams, both within the school and also then across the university, but especially by working with the Centre for Evidence and Social Innovation, which is a key interdisciplinary partner for us in the university. And then, of course, our collaborators across the world. But we strive to do interdisciplinary research to improve, make the best improvements possible in healthcare. And a third principle that we try to adhere to in our research is involving community and clinical partners and also service users. And this is often right from the beginning of a research project, so that they can help us define exactly what the research needs are and co-develop the research with us. And this helps implementation ultimately, or helps real-world implementation of our research. So we're proud to include amongst our partners in research the Health Trusts of Northern Ireland, the Public Health Agency, and the Department of Education and the Prison Service, and also important charities that we work with, such as Chest, Heart and Stroke here in Northern Ireland, British Heart Foundation, Tiny Life, Bernardo's, Dunhill Trust and Action Cancer, and amongst others really. Perhaps a fourth and final area that we try to work on in our research culture is really to develop the research in nursing and midwifery. And that involves welcoming PhD students from all around the world into our school, developing the careers of early career researchers, enabling some of our lecturers to complete their PhDs and doctorates, and I suppose creating a kind of a mentoring and supportive culture for everyone to do research in the school, but also crisscrossing people at different levels of research in projects, so that we can create that supportive culture to do research in nursing and midwifery. And I guess that's what we try to do anyway, and hopefully sometimes we achieve it.